It's over here. I look on this shit get fucked up out here. It's real out here. It's so real out here. Yeah, I'ma kill this nigga. Where your tank at, man? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, my. What's going on? What happened with this shit? Huh? So what happened with this shit? You know what I mean?
Gas happened. I'm getting it. So I can get it.
This nigga. Yeah, this shit looking crazy out here. Man, I mean, I'll be on my way, man. I'ma holla at you, Sean.
Where you going?
I'm about to go meet up with Tiff and shit.
Huh?
I'm about to go meet up with Tiff. We got an appointment and shit for doctor. Man. What you doing? Huh? What? I'm good. I don't even know what the hell he talking about. Damn. What are you doing? Shit real. That's it. How you doing? It's real out here. Is it burning? Good night, baby. Love you.
Go to school for an early
To the aquarium.
Yeah. At 2:30 we're coming back.
At 2:30?
Yeah. I mean 2 o'clock.
Yeah, I mean, we came out here to see what the fuck going on. What my nigga Hoove doing, B? Yeah. Just want to make sure.
Make sure what, nigga? You can't beat me, nigga.
Yeah.
Fuck, nigga.
Yeah. We ain't talking about me right now, nigga.
You call a hitman, nigga.
Goddamn right.
Fuck, nigga.
Goddamn right. This motherfucker right here
Put some change on my head, man.
Think he all that. Yeah, I'm trying to get my hair done. I just had to come out here to see what the fucking second quarter looking like. I said second quarter. This is the first quarter. But you know, this nigga Gabe over here front like he fucking unbeatable and shit. Like, yeah, man. Had to call a hitman on this nigga. See me in Call of Duty though, man.
Lucky.
This girl over here, man. This my nigga Sauce right here, man. Yo, what up, man? How you doing, nigga? Come on, man. Tiger blacker than a motherfucker. You don't see that.
Hold up. You know that, right? Don't say that white man. No, I'm telling you, you know that, right? You can't talk about stats and then say all he got over LeBron is points. He shoots way better from the field. He shoots way better from the threes. He's a better free throw line shooter.
But
he's a better bucket getter.
You have the average. LeBron averaged 7 assists. That's a point guard thing, nigga. That's a point guard job.
He averaged 3 more assists than Kevin Durant. 2 more rebounds. 9 rebounds,
That's why
nigga.
he's the MVP though.
Because it's what you do for your team. It's not about scoring.
LeBron averaged 26, 7, and 6 this year.
If you're able to score 20 center points a game and get 7 assists, that means you got 7 niggas that's able to score points for your team.
No, it don't. No, it don't.
7 assists?
That just means you set up the right people. That don't mean.
But that allows points, though. If you go to points win the game, right?
Yeah, points win the
game. So 7 assists upon your 27, what does that tell you?
All right. If you want to think about it like that, you got to think about like Kevin Durant got a nigga like Westbrook on his team who's taking 90 shots a game. Like
he's a dickhead player. He's a dickhead. You know what? Kevin Durant
D-Wade stepped back. D-Wade stepped back.
The game they lost, nigga, he should have smacked the shit out of Wade. I mean, out of Westbrook for that dumb shit he was doing. I would have smacked the shit out of Westbrook.
My nigga's not stupid. He know without Westbrook they do not win.
He can't. No, they could.
No, they don't.
I mean, that's the Westbrook smacker right there.
They do not win without Westbrook.
Y'all don't believe in your star player. Y'all don't believe in your star player.
That has nothing to do with Kevin Durant.
If one of them have a bad game, they don't win.
Let me say something.
They don't win.
I believe in what they did. Durant probably averaged 40 a game. I swear to God, nigga. I swear that he'd be the number 1 nigga who averaged 40 a game, nigga. Without Westbrook taking 27 shots with him? What?
So
hold on. You think LeBron can win it without Wade? He went to the finals without Wade, but they lost to the undominant Spurs.
Where was he at? What team was he on?
On Cleveland, nigga. In 06, they went to the Spurs. He
was on Cleveland with some hungry motherfuckers.
Who else? Name one other nigga.
I'm saying Mo. Hungry motherfuckers.
Mo Williams didn't come to 07, nigga.
Hey, yo, so what that mean?
He went to the finals in 06 with who?
Son.
With who? Marshall and Shaq was in there.
Ill. You act like Ill was a bum. Don't act like Ill was a bum.
Gaskins was in there.
Don't act like he didn't have
David
West.
David West wasn't there. Delonte West, you mean? Delonte West wasn't there, nigga.
Delonte West was from 04 to 06.
Yo, he denied. No, he denied.
He just left the Celtics.
That was the year LeBron.
I'm about to put this on NBA.com.
Oh, he dropped 10,000 points.
This is fanatics right
here. That
here.
was the year. But LeBron is a star, but he can't finish.
He's a bum.
Nigga, a lot of niggas can't finish.
No, you can't say that. You can't say that. Because my nigga Melo finishes. Say something.
He been finishing this year so far, right? Right or wrong?
No.
This is what they need to be having on TV. A bunch of dudes. They had this on TV on camera. They be like, yo, what's going on?
I know the statistics.
Hey,
Look at
He showed me. He showed me.
Shout out to the illest nigga in Nebraska. This be happening out here on my shit, man. This is what happened in Mount Vernon. In Mount Vernon. It's in front of my building right here, y'all. I won't imagine, man. What happens? Look at these niggas. Nigga, right.
Please go upstairs, man. Please. Stop. Got my butt.